Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. First, locate the temperature reading on your thermometer, which will be in degrees Celsius. This initial step is crucial for any conversion. Knowing your starting Celsius value is the foundation for accurately calculating the equivalent Fahrenheit temperature. We'll walk through the simple mathematical steps to transform that Celsius number into its Fahrenheit counterpart, making it easy to understand. Next, we apply the core conversion formula. Take your Celsius temperature and multiply it by 9. After that, divide the result by 5. This part of the calculation adjusts the temperature scale, as 1 degree Celsius represents a different temperature change than 1 degree Fahrenheit. It's a straightforward multiplication and division that sets up the final conversion. Now, for the final adjustment, you need to add 32 to the number you just calculated. This addition is vital because it accounts for the different freezing points of water on the two scales. 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point, while on the Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degrees. Adding 32 correctly shifts the temperature to the Fahrenheit scale's baseline. The number you now have is your temperature expressed in degrees Fahrenheit. For instance, if your thermometer reads 0 degrees Celsius, following these steps will give you 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Another common example is 100 degrees Celsius, which converts to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use this method for any Celsius reading to find its accurate Fahrenheit equivalent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.